Today,
on Make Shape Create,
we're gonna take these supplies, this folding work table.
Hey guys, I'm Cory. We're gonna take this wood, we're gonna make a folding table underneath this window. Let's go cut some wood.
So we got our wood cut. We only got 3-ply because we're poor and wanted to save money. We're gonna take 2 of them and glue them together to make a thicker slab. So we're gonna apply some glue and get that all glued up. As you guys probably saw in the time lapse, we used a little bit of salt. The reason we did that is it'll help, once you put the glue on there, the 2 pieces want to slide because all you got in between them is glue. This keeps them, gives it a little more friction. So it kind of stays in place a little more. So, gotta do this little piece. So we got everything glued up. We're just gonna let it dry. We're gonna go ahead and put some screws in it to hold it while it dries along with the clamps. And that way we can keep working, okay? Here we go. While we're letting the wood dry, we've already marked our wall as to where our studs are and everything. I've already pre-drilled holes in this for the hinges and to attach it to the wall. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna temporarily attach these hinges and then mark on my extenders where I need to drill holes. So we're gonna do that now. Got that all ready. Before I do that, I need to have a way to mount all this to the wall. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this piece of scrap, a couple little blocks of scrap wood I got, and if you notice right here, I made marks to let myself know where I'm gonna screw the screws in or where I need to make holes. I'm going to use my square to mark it off around the other side. That way I know it's straight. And then that way I know my holes will line up. So let's get that all pre-drilled, screwed together, and let's finish this project up. What do you say? Pause. Okay, so here's where we hit a problem. See, the original design called for these arms to fold in. Problem is, once they folded in, they would hit the support. So, to solve this, we decided to take the 2 arms and flip them around. Unfortunately, we lost this video. So, now that I've explained it, back to the regular show. Got everything ready over there. We need to attach the hinges to the bottom of this, but we want to make sure we measure far enough in so that it doesn't hit any of our mounts that we put on the wall. Okay, so we're going to do that now. I've already measured it. It should be about 4 inches on each side. I'm going to take my pencil, I'm going to mark the holes so that way I can come back and drill and just pre-drill these. Then I just have to go behind myself, tag it to the wall. Bob's your uncle. So what I'm doing is marking underneath. So I have a line here using my square. Okay, and then we're gonna do the other side. Same way you would want to mark.
Oops, sorry.
Same way you would want to mark studs in the wall. That way you know where I can attach it. And I've already done it over here. So now we just gotta pre-drill the holes, attach it, and we are complete. Alright guys, so this is how it works. This folds up, this arm folds over, this arm folds over. Now, some of you are probably thinking, well, you haven't finished it. The edges aren't sanded. You're right, because this isn't for a piece of furniture. This is a work surface. This work surface will be for this portable paint booth that we're making next week. So remember, like, subscribe, hit the little bell so that you don't miss that video. Find us on social media and find us on Patreon if you want to subscribe or support. You know what I mean. See you guys next week. Have a good week.